Hi guys, this is me again, June Carl, and this is my learning about LIE topics, or the living in the IT era topics. So now I will be sharing to you my learnings about the intellectual property rights. So intellectual property rights teach us valuable lessons, no? Firstly, intellectual property rights offers legal armor for our ideas. So it gives us protection, kumbaga. And also have it also teaches us in incentivizing innovation by guaranteeing protection for copyrights for creative works. So also through IPR, no, magitudloan sabta nga unsaon nato paggamit or pag-earn ng sakto in a legal basis, no, sa mga innovations. Also it allows us to choose the right shield for what we have produced. So kabulota kung makabulota if unsa nga butang atong nahimo ug unsa pod nga mga legal actions ang ato i-take, or unsa nga mga copyright or unsa nga mga types of intellectual property rights ang atong kuhaon in order to protect our innovations and such. So we have copyright rights, so trademark, trade secrets, patents. So kadto nga mga rights ang dapat natong kuhaon in order to protect our works. IPR, aside from that, also balances the rights of creators with the public good, ensuring some knowledge remains accessible. So finally, IPR becomes also a responsibility nga to use the system ethically and respect the intellectual property of others. By understanding these, no, ato mga key takeaways na about IPR, we can utilize IPR to safeguard our creations and navigate the world of intellectual property effectively. So, all to, thanks, bye.